Hey Siri, you're useless.
That's not nice.
Let's dive into the topic right away. First, we need to collect the API key for Gemini. To do this, visit the link provided in the description. Once there, click on Google AI Studio and select Try Gemini. From the sidebar, navigate to the API documentation page, where you will find a button labeled Get a Gemini API Key. Click on that button to create your API key. Next, choose a project for which you want to create the API key. If you haven't created a project yet, go ahead and create a new one. I'm selecting the project named Gemini API. Once you do this, you will receive a new API key, which you should note down, as we will need it later. After completing these steps, visit the link for the shortcut that I provided in the description. Click on Get Shortcut, and you will be redirected to the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Click on Get Shortcut again, and paste the API key you obtained earlier. Finally, on the context page, type in Act as the smartest personal assistant. That's it. You are now all set to use Gemini in place of Siri. Now, let's test if it's working. Say, Hey Siri, give me a brief comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra.
Here's what I found.
As we can see, Siri typically provides web search results. Now let's try the same with Gemini. Instead, say, Hey Siri AI, give me a brief comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra.
Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Display 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X, 1440x3088 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate processor,